Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, children. Chandan is a sole trader dealing in sports items. From the following transaction, pass journal entries for the month of March 2018. So now we are going to prepare journal entries. Okay, children. March 2018. March 1st. Okay. So commenced business with cash. So he started business with cash. Who is that? The person Chandran. Okay, so now the cash is coming inside. So cash account debtor to capital. Okay, how much? 4 lakhs. Okay, so being Chandran started business with cash. Okay, and then March 2nd. Cash deposited into bank 3 lakhs. So cash is going outside, the bank is the receiver. So bank account debtor to cash. How much? 3 lakhs. So what you should do? Being cash deposited into bank. Okay, copy this. Purchased goods from Ravi and payment made through net banking 90,000. See, purchased goods from Ravi. So purchasing the goods from Ravi and then payment made through net banking. Automatically they paid into the bank. It is not a cash transaction, it is a bank transaction. Okay, so we are purchasing the goods and then we are paying the money into the bank. Okay, so purchased goods from Ravi, isn't it? So purchase is a nominal account. So purchase account debtor. Okay, and then what happened? We are depositing the money into net banking, isn't it? So to bank. Okay, to bank account. We are paying the amount also. Okay, so 90,000. Okay, so here what you should write? So being purchased goods and amount paid through net banking. Okay, like that you have to write. Then sales made to Kumar who deposited the money through CDM. CDM in the sense cash depository machine. Okay, so sales made to Kumar who deposited the money through CDM. So what we should do? So bank account to sales account because the amount we are depositing into bank only. Okay, so March 4th, bank account debtor to sales account. Okay, so why in the sense we are depositing the money. So that person is depositing the money in the bank only. Okay, so sales made to Kumar who deposit the money through CDM 10,000 rupees. He is depositing the money in the cash depository machine. Okay, so being sales made and cash deposited into CDM. Okay, like that you have to write. Sales made to Vivek who made the payment by debit card. See children, CDM, NEFT, ECS, debit card, credit card, everything is coming in the sense you have to take it as a bank only. Okay, so the cash is going to bank, then only we are getting the money. Okay, so don't write cash. Okay, so sales made to Vivek. So they are selling the goods to Vivek. So what you should write? Sales, no, the amount is going to bank. Okay, bank account debtor. How much? 60,000 to sales. Okay, so being sold goods and amount received from what? Debit card. Okay, debit card. Okay, through the debit card they are getting the money. Okay, and then sold goods to Keertana, who made the payment through credit card. So credit card, debit card, whatever we are doing, you have to take it as a bank only. Okay, so here also same entry. What he is doing? So bank account debtor to sales. How much? 50,000. Okay, here you have to write being sold goods to whom? Sold goods to Keertana, isn't it? Keertana, and amount received from credit card. Like that you have to write. Okay. Salaries paid through ECS. So salary they are paying. Salary is an expenses, you know very well. It is a nominal account, but they are paying to the bank only. Okay. So salary is expenses, nominal account, debit all expenses and losses. So salaries account debtor to what? To bank. So they are sending to the bank only. Okay. So to bank, ECS in the sense bank only you have to take it. So how much? 6,000. Okay. So being salary paid through ECS. Okay, you have to write like this. Then cricket bats donated to a trust. It is a donation. A particular person only will donate for orphanage or somewhere else. Okay. So cricket bats donated to a trust. So it is a donation. Okay. So you can take a person only is giving, isn't it? So donation is also expenses we can say. Okay. So donation account debtor, and then as a trust he is giving to the trust only, no. So you can consider as a drawing. So drawing in the sense he is taking for personal use, isn't it? So donation you have to write, and then the goods he is taking, no, that you have to write, take it as a purchase. So to purchase. So for example, if a proprietor is taking for his own use, in the sense we are taking drawing account to purchase account. If he is taking as a cash, in the sense drawing account to cash account, like that. So same way you have to write to purchase. How much he is taking? 10,000 rupees. Okay. So 10,000 rupees. Here you have to write cricket bats donated for trust. Okay, like that you have to write. Deepak is a dealer in stationery items. From the following transaction, past journal entries for the month of January and February 2018. So Deepak is doing a stationery business. Okay. January 1st commenced business with cash 2 lakhs. He started a business with cash 2 lakhs. So cash account to, who is that? Deepak. Deepak's capital. Okay. How much? 2 lakhs. So here what you should write? Being Deepak started business with cash. Okay, and then next, opened a bank account by depositing cash. He is opening a bank account. Okay, so how he is doing? He is opening the bank account in the sense bank account to cash account. So bank is the receiver, isn't it? Bank account debtor to cash. How much? 1 lakh. So cash is going outside, isn't it? Being cash deposited into bank. Okay. See, A4 paper sold on credit to Padmini and Co. 60,000 rupees. Okay, it is sale, isn't it? It is a credit sales. So he is selling to the Padmini and Co. So account debtor to sales. Okay, how much? 60,000. Here being goods sold to Padmini and Co. Okay, and then next, bills received from Padmini and Co. for the amount due. So it is a credit transaction, already I said, because that's why we have written Padmini and Co. Okay, bills received from Padmini and Co. for the month due. So on the time what they are doing, they are receiving the bills receivable account. So bills receivable is a asset, bills payable is a liability. Okay, so we have to receive the amount. Okay, 60,000 should get us, isn't it? So what you should write, no? Bills receivable account debtor to whom? So Padmini and Co. only should give the amount for us, isn't it? So to Padmini and Co. How much? 60,000 rupees. Okay, 60,000 they have to pay. So what you should write? Bills being bills receivable for the amount due. Like that you have to write. Okay. See children, bills received from Padmini and Co. discounted with the bank 58,000. See, already I said 60,000 they have to pay. They have written and give bills receivable. Okay, it will go to the bank only. Okay, so what we should do? Bills received from Padmini and Co. discounted. The bank has discounted the amount. Okay, how we should write? No, bank account debtor. Okay, bank account debtor, discount account debtor to whom? Bills receivable. To bills receivable. How much? 58,000 rupees. The bank, and then bank discounted 2,000 rupees. Overall 60,000 rupees amount. Okay, so what you should write? Bills receivable discounted with the bank. Okay, the bank has discounted the bills receivable account, bills receivable thing. Okay, copy this. See, bills of Padmini and Co. dishonored. So, already Padmini and Co. has sent the bill and then it went to the bank and then the bank gave discount and then what happened now? The bank dishonored that bill. The particular date they didn't pay the amount. That's why it is dishonored. Okay, so if dishonored in the sense, what will happen? Padmini and Co. account debtor. How much? 60,000 rupees. And then to bank. The bank only dishonored, no? So, dishonored. So, opposite entry. Okay, 60,000. So, the bill discounted and dishonored. The bank dishonored. See, so the Padmini and Co. account debtor to bank account. So the bill is discounted. Already bank gave discount and then the check is dishonored. Okay, copy this. See children, the paid rupees 4,800 in full settlement of 5,000 due to the creditor's Kirtana. See, this is a cash transaction and cash is involved, isn't it? So, the account involved is Kirtana. Kirtana is a personal account. Okay, she is only receiving the cash and then due is 5,000 rupees. Okay, so 4,800 she is receiving but 5,000 she has to get. Okay, so what we should do, no? So Kirtana account debtor. How much? 5,000. Okay. But this is the creditor. Okay, so they have to pay the amount. Okay, so to cash account, how much? 4,800 and then to discount received. So we are only receiving the discount. How much? 200 rupees. So here in narration what you should write? Kirtana paid to Kirtana and discount received. Okay, copy this.